Sir John, how can we protect our ebook from being pirated? Here's the inconvenient truth. No one can really protect our product from being pirated. No one. Movie industry, isipin po ninyo, the Hollywood industry, it's a billion-dollar industry. Napipigilan pa po ba nila yung piracy? Yes or no? They cannot. We can only add securities in our what we do. We can always username and password and all. But the truth is, anyone can pirate any other product. Ito po ba, kayo po ba'y naniniwala na pag ang printed book ay hindi mapapirate? Do you think hindi po ito pwedeng i-pirate? Yes or no? Exactly. Kahit printed book, pwede po itong i-pirate. How hard it is for now to scan this thing at i-turn ko in PDF. How hard it is now to take a photo of this. Each page, picturean ko. Pero yun sinasabi ko, work on your offense rather on your defense. Because if you're worrying too much about paano kaya hindi mapirate to, paano kaya hindi mapirate to, paano kaya hindi mapirate to, then you're busy on your defense instead of working on your offense. I would like you and to anyone to be in a position that most people are honest rather than thinking that most people are stealing. One thing, guys, by the way, that if you are in this business, make sure that you do not also pirate someone else's work. You have to respect the time and effort and intelligence of people who gave their ideas, produce these products, because you are now going into this industry too. So make sure also that you guys do not pirate stuff.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.